Hello guys, happy Sunday. It's your girl Antoinette Ma again in Compania. Guys, we are back again in Compania for another visit. My mom keep calling, come and just be with me. Let me keep seeing you. So guys, we are back in Compania. I usually don't want to stay in Compania for a long time because Compania is hot. I don't like hot areas, but it's better than Douala because here there are not much mosquitoes, even though there is a mosquito net, but there are not much mosquitoes here. But Compania is hot, so I don't like hot areas. Guys, I'm prepared to go to church. This is my kaba and I have my turtleneck inside. No makeup because it's hot. What do you expect? No makeup. I'm beautiful like this, am I not? So no makeup. I'm thinking to put on my wig, but that would generate a lot of heat on me. So I have this my hair tie. I'll just do something on my hair and I'm done. I'm off to church. We have 30 minutes to 9 a.m. Cameroon time, service time in Compania. Here they have just one service as compared to Boya where we have two services. So guys, I am almost done. My mom's big fan is bad, so this is what we have. This is what I'm surviving with it, especially at night. This one I just charged. This one, this is what I'll be taking to church. And also there is this hand fan. Guess what guys, I spoiled my mommy's pot of soup. Guys, I prepared cabbage yesterday afternoon. I was supposed to heat it up again in the evening, but I still have this idea in me. Since we have this we always prepare food back then in UAE, store in the freezer, remove, just warm in the microwave and eat. So this memory of reheating and reheating, since there is no fridge here, I forgot to heat the food in the evening guys, and I noticed it's almost getting sour this morning. I was so like, oh my god, today I know it's a resting day for me. I'm not going to cook because we have this soup in the house. What am I going to do? I thought of this idea of putting kanwa, that's limestone, in a soup that is almost getting sour. So I put kanwa in the pot of soup and reheat for a long time. Is better. When I come back from church, I'll still have to heat the food, and I pray it doesn't go bad because I don't have plan of cooking anything today. The soup is still too much, so I have here mine. At least the soup is good now, it's okay. The sour is gone because of the limestone. Drop it down in the comment section. How do you manage your soup when you notice it's getting sour, it's getting spoiled? How do you revive your pot of soup if you know it's getting sour? Just drop it down in the comment section and help someone out there that might be facing same situation. So guys, see you as we go to church. Okay, hope you two are going to church today. Hope you are celebrating God for your life this day. Hope you are giving him the praise and all adoration this day because he is worthy of all. Stay tuned, Compania. Diamond.
They don't chop pan. They don't chop pan. You know plenty you. But they don't chop pan.
The water also been a hassle. You have a cutter.
They will cut an up time. I tell you, when I do white shoes, you put on color stick and for that veranda. But you look at nice, I put on color back. Oh, Mama, you got some money.
I sleep at church. Maybe Singapore will come out with 4 or 5 will come in. That's it, I know. Go back to church. You go to church? Good meeting. That will come out and maybe maybe start that side. If you rent as if you rent the state. And that will come.
Don't match the birthday, this waiting. The banga. The banga. Don't you the banga is waiting. Oh. Okay. I shall not blow that fire now. Smooth.
Okay.
You won't have something for that.